Welcome back. This is Mrs. Rubright with Geometry Honors. Tonight's homework review is 10.5. The requested problems were on pages 675 to 678, numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 18, 20, 22, and 25. Number 3, find the measure of arc AB. Alright, well, if this is 65 and the vertex is on the perimeter of the circle, then we just double it. 65 times 2 is 130 degrees. So my answer is 130. Find the measure of arc DEF. So 117 times 2 is 234. What is angle 1? Well, it's half of 260, so it's 130. Number 6. The diagram at the right is not drawn to scale. AB is any chord that is not a diameter of the circle. Line M is a tangent to the circle at point A. Which statement must be true? Alright, well, it says it's not the diameter. Well, if it was the diameter, then it would be 90 degrees, and 90 degrees would open up to 180 degrees, right? A diameter opens up to half of a circle, 180 degrees, making x 90 degrees. So if this is not the diameter, then x is not 90 degrees. So D. Number 7. Anytime that we have two chords going through the circle, in order to get this degrees, because we don't know if this is the center of the circle or not. If it was the center, this would be 145. This would be 145 because the vertical angle is making that 145, so we know it is not the center. So how we do these is we take their average. This plus this divided by 2 is this. So 145 plus 85 divided by 2. 145 plus 85 divided by 2, you get 115. 115 degrees. And then if I needed to find these, I just do a straight line is 180 minus 115 leaves me with 65. And that's how you would fill out everything. Number 18. AB is a tangent to circle E. Find the measure of CD. Okay, well, this one is big minus little divided by 2 is this little guy here, right? Anytime that you have the angle outside of the circle, it's big arc minus little arc divided by 2. So big arc minus little arc divided by 2 equals 40. So 80 is 7x minus 3x, so 5x. No, that's 4. 7, 6 by 4. That's 4x, sorry. 4x equals 80 divided by 4. 20 equals x. So 20 times 7, 140 degrees. 20 times 3, 60. So they're asking what is CD? Well, it'd be 360 minus 60 is 300. 300 minus 140. 300, 200, 160 degrees. Okay, number 18 is 160 degrees. Number 20 is a challenge problem. The answer is 20 degrees. Don't worry if you don't get it. It's nothing that would ever be tested on an EOC or in class. If you did get it right, then congratulations. You're good. You're amazing. Number 22. On this one, they want us to solve for angle A, angle B, and angle C. All right, well, this is a central angle because it says that this is, the middle of the circle is A. So this is 80, this is 80, this is 80, vertical. These are linear pairs, 100. All right, so what is angle A? Angle A is 80 degrees. All right, what is angle B? Big arc minus little arc divided by 2. 80 minus 30 divided by 2. 50 divided by 2 is 25. So angle B is 25 degrees. And angle C is opening up to 80, so it's half that. It is 40. And then the last requested problem, number 25, you have a hot air balloon. It says that you are flying in a hot air balloon about 1.2 miles above the ground. Use the method from example 4 to find the measure of the arc that represents the part of the Earth that you can see. The radius of the Earth is about 4,000 miles. Obviously not drawn to scale. If this is 4,000, this is 1.2, but just to kind of give you a picture. Alright, so if I was looking for this angle here, I have opposite and I have hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse go as sine. Sine of theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So the inverse sine of 4,000 over 4,000, 1.2 is my theta. So let's look that up. 4,000 divided by 4,000, 1.2 equals second sine. All right, so that is my theta. But that's just this, and I want this whole amount here. So I'm going to multiply that by 2, and I get 177.193. Right, I'm going to store that in 1. Okay, so now I'm trying to find out what this is right here, right? I want to know what this is. Well, in order to get that, wouldn't it be big arc minus little arc divided by 2 is that angle, right? Big arc minus little arc divided by 2 equals the 177.193 blah, 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 right? So let's call this x, little arc x. So in reality, isn't my big arc 360 degrees minus x minus my little arc x divided by 2 equals the 177.193. So if I take that number that's in my calculator times 2, I get this. $360 minus 2x. I'm going to subtract 360 from both sides. And I'm going to divide by -2 on both sides. And I get that it's approximately 2.8. So this arc right here is approximately 2.8. I hope you enjoyed this review on homework 10.5. Please like and subscribe and have a fabulous evening.